If you are new to investing and you are confused about where to start, this video is for you. When someone is a beginner, the biggest problem is the fear of making mistake. People think, what if I lose my money? And because of this fear, many people never start investing at all. That is why mutual funds are perfect starting point for beginners. Reason number 1. Mutual funds are simple and tension-free. You do not need to decide which stock to buy or when to sell. All this work is done by expert and you can invest peacefully. Reason number 2. You can start with a small amount. You do not need a lot of money. You can start with just 500 or 1000 rupees per month using SIP. Reason number 3. Better risk control. In mutual funds, your money is invested in many companies, not just one. So if one company performs badly, your entire money does not get damaged. Reason number 4. It builds discipline. SIP teaches you the habits of investing every month. Slowly, investing becomes a part of your life. Reason number 5. Long-term wealth creation. Mutual funds are not a way to become rich quickly. But if you stay invested for a long time, they can help you build strong wealth. Reason number 6. It protects you from emotional mistakes. Beginners often buy when the market is high and sell when the market is low. Mutual funds help you avoiding these mistakes. Now remember one important thing. Mutual funds are not magic. The market will go up and down. But if you stay patient and invested for a long term, result will come. So if you are still waiting to start, remember this. Do not wait for a perfect time. Start and the time will become perfect. Start with a small amount, but start today. If you found this video useful, please like the video, subscribe to Build Money Academy and share this with your friends. See you in the next video. This video is made only for educational purposes. We are not giving any investment advice. Mutual fund investments are subject to market risk. Please read all scheme-related documents carefully before investing.